Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, keep tapping on the build number, and now go back to the system settings. Tap on the system and enter developer options. If you want to learn more about them, check our tutorial about it. So here in the developer options, we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. You can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.